How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to give a hand massage for beginners easy. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Now you can do this to another person. You can do it with just one hand. So basically what you're going to do, if you're doing this to someone, then obviously you can use two hands. I'm going to show you how to do it with one hand. So I used to do this. I still do this, as well as cracking my knuckles just to relieve tension in the hands. I do a lot of typing during the day, so a hand massage is good. I'm just going to show you what I do. So basically what you want to do is you want to obviously massage all the fingers, but like right here, the tendons go down. So you actually want to rub in here as well. And this is going to help the fingers too. So basically what you want to do is just get your thumb. And what I like to do is just go like this. You want to do an up and down motion, and you want to get just the bottom of every single finger like this. So I usually start like this. Just go like that and do it a couple of times. Again, we're just rubbing like this. And you can put moderate pressure. Don't really push hard, but don't push super light. Just a moderate amount of pressure. So that's twice. I will do it about 3 times. I will rub like this. The next thing that I like to do is I like to get the whole area, but I will go like this. I will usually go counterclockwise about 10 times. Again, just going like this, kind of on the outside. So notice how I'm making a big circle like this. So we'll go like this, really getting the outside. And then we're going to go on the inside. We're going to make just little circles like this on the inside. Again, going counterclockwise. So again, just like this. Now you want to go the opposite way. You want to go clockwise now. So again, just like this on the outside. And then we're going to go on the inside again, just like this. And then lastly, each finger, I'll just go like this. I'll rub like this. Just up and down, that's all you have to do. Nothing fancy. Just like this. So that's typically what I do. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.